Hello everyone, welcome to my devlog. This is a remake of my original Devlog 0. So if you're new here, welcome, and let's get started. This is the current project that I'm working on. It's a sci-fi roguelike for the mobile and the desktop. So you see right now the mobile UI, but this is a temporary placeholder for now. And yeah, for the most part the game looks like this. So when I got started in the beginning, I was researching so many game engines. Then and then since there were so many choices out there, and I've looked at Love 2D and Unity engine and Godot. I even went through some tutorials, and well, so to put into context, I've been programming since 11ish, and I'm now an adult, and I programmed in quite a few languages before, and so I figured it wouldn't be too hard to learn something new like a game engine. But as I was learning, I thought, man, I could do all this in code like without learning anything new. Why not just do it? So I decided on the simplest option that I had based on what I already knew. And that turned out to be something like this, which is using P5.js, which is a JavaScript library for rendering graphics to the browser, as a wrapper to using WebGL. So I could get this 3D thing going. And this WebGL was kind of something new to me. So there's a little newness that's going to keep me kind of engaged and motivated, because I like learning new things. It's just my purpose here is to make a game, not to keep learning new things and not make anything. So this was what I ended up with, or started with. So with that, first I had my first prototype with its working teleport to the left here, and after about a month or a month and a half of dabbling with it, I ended up with something like what you see on the right. And it's not just straight came from this left to the right image. There were so many different things I've tried in between, like added multiplayer and took it out and did this thing where you could, like, maybe I wanted to be able to change the body parts initially, so I had all these codes in there for that. I was like, no, I can't have all this like happening. So I thought, okay, well, I scratched a lot of ideas, especially thanks to some of the YouTube videos that I was watching and on game development, and they were saying, you know what, all these too much feature thing is just gonna kill your project. So I thought, okay, well, let me just go scratch off a lot of the features that I wanted to add, all these bloat, and right now I'm working to add in features that matter, so to make the game more interesting. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. And this is the kind of time lapse going through, like starting the left. You can see the camera angles different from the one to the right. I've worked on the camera angles, trying to figure out what would work better, and yeah, the graphics pretty much simplistic all the way through here, and I'm still working on collision detections and just working out the quirks in the map UI above. And then I started adding textures, and you can see here that I started to work on the D-pad a little bit, and also the grass looking floor here, I didn't like it that it looked like a grass, but the green really gave all the objects, what do you call it, more contrast. And yeah, so I kept the green. I just made it flat, and yeah, that's kind of how it went, the process of making this game. I didn't really document it well because up to this point I was just in my own bubble programming this by myself. Nobody really looking at this game at all at this point. So that's the reason why I wanted people's feedback. So this video devlog I'm making is for that, as well as this blog site where I consolidated all my devlog related stuff. You know, this particular whack-a-mole clone is something I've worked on as a practice project for using the P5JS library. Yeah, so things like that I'll be posting up on my blog if you're interested. But otherwise, the devlogs will keep coming as I build onto my game further. Yeah, so I think that's about it for this video. Until next time, thank you for watching.